Hi Girl Scouts! Welcome to 2021 Virtual Girl Scout Day here at the Woodlands Nature Station. My name is Marissa and I'm a naturalist here at the Nature Station, and today we are going to be learning how to make brownie houses. So you guys are all brownies, or if you're a little bit older and you're watching this, maybe you've been a brownie, or if you're a daisy and you're going to be watching along, building along with us, you will be a brownie. But did you know that brownies are actually a type of mythological creature? They're actually a type of fairy. So when I say we're going to be building brownie houses today, we're going to be building fairy houses. Okay, so what exactly goes into a brownie house? Well, the awesome thing is that we can do it all outside. And we're going to get all of our materials from outside in the woods where a fairy or a brownie would live. So you're going to want to first go outside with your troop or your parents, whoever you're doing this with, and start collecting your materials. Now, some things that I would think about for materials might be sticks and twigs, maybe acorns, maybe leaves that have fallen down from the fall, anything that you can think of that's a natural material. One thing I suggest is please don't pull any branches off trees or pull any plants out of the ground. We want to only use things that have fallen onto the ground and are dead to use for our fairy or brownie house. So once you have all your materials, think up an idea. This is your creation, so it can look like however you want it to. That's kind of the amazing part about it. So mine might look different from yours, and that's totally okay. So once you've gathered all your materials outside, go ahead and build your house. I have already collected my materials, so I am going to go build my brownie house right now, and I'll show you guys exactly how I did that. So this is my brownie house. I used the trunk of a tree as the base for my house, and then I lined up sticks against it to kind of make a lean-to. And then I put some leaves in the back for sort of a back roof and back wall. And then I added some finer details too. I actually used a stone for the little brownie bed, half an acorn for a little pillow, and then I found some sweet gum seed pods. That's a type of tree, and I put those in there for decoration. And then I added a doorstep out of a piece of bark, and I even made a little pathway for her to leave her house. So this is my brownie house that I made using things from nature. Now you can go build your own. It can look like this. It can look like something totally different. This is your creation. And the main point is to get outside and make some fun art. Thanks, guys.